welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today, guys, I have my long-awaited Bibbidi Bobbidi boxes, but not only one, I have two and three. I will give you a little bit of a backstory. I do have a P.O. box in New York, I should say Niagara Falls, really. And basically that's where my Bibbidi Bobbidis get sent. And unfortunately with the whole COVID situation, I am not able to cross the border. So finally, after a bunch of trial and errors, I finally have all three boxes back. And again, this is going to be for February, March. I skipped April and then May. I won't have any others until the border reopens, and then I will resubscribe, just letting you know. So I do still have three boxes to open, and that is it for at the moment. And then once everything comes down or whatever's going on, then I will resubscribe. So with that being said, if you haven't seen any of my other Bibbidi Bobbidis, I will leave a link up in the cards, as well as my Disney playlist down below. This one is for March. I know I'm behind, but you know what? Better late than never is what I always say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't already, click the subscribe button before we leave, and let's get into this unboxing. So everyone here on YouTube, I always let you guys have the first sneaky peeky. I'll give you a quick little info about this box. This is the Dream subscription, so it's their lowest tier at the moment. It's $34.99, that is US, and they're shipping on top of that. I am not necessarily the princess type with Disney. I am more of the villains and sidekicks and stuff like that. And basically what it is you sign up for the box, you create your own profile or preference manager, and then you fill out that as much as you possibly can. And then they curate this box specifically for me, and they'll curate one specifically for you as well once you fill out your little preference manager. And this is super customizable. It's one of the main things why I love this box. I also love Brenda, Becky, and Amanda. They are honest to God beautiful human beings. I love them so much. So if you ever have any questions or anything or whatnot, they do now have a new ticketing system, which is great for their emails. But basically that's just a little bit about this. It is a Disney subscription box. Also, Bibbidi Bobbidi sells a bunch of other things on their website. So if you wanted to sign up, I will leave a link in the description box below. I am no way affiliated with them. I just honestly love this subscription. So with that being said, now let's get into this box. So I'm going to give you guys the first look. I can open it. I just took off the plastic wrap. I haven't opened it at all, so I'm gonna give you the first look, guys. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, we have some red tissue paper and some cards on top. I'm just gonna put this off to the side. So right on top, it is "If you can dream it, you can do it," and it's their postcards that they give in every single box. What's cool is the new ones actually on the back, they say who packed your box, which I think is honestly so cool. And then I do have a note, and this is basically just a quick note about your box saying that I'm gonna have lesser items in my box. Basically what it is again, like I was speaking about that preference manager, I've ticked off that I'm okay with having less items with higher value. I'm totally fine with that. So it's a little nice reminder that they added in there, just letting you know that a Dream subscription I think is supposed to have maybe 2 to 3 items depending on the value. So I might only have one in here. I might have 2. I'm totally fine. And then next up is the packing slip. This is going to give you all the information about what's inside your box. So the price, exact, and all that fun stuff in there. So then once we have those, this is our beautiful red tissue paper. I'm just going to quickly rip this and again give you guys the first look. Oh, I'm so excited to have these again. All right, guys. Do we see anything? I don't think so. Okay. I think I have a Spirit jersey. Oh my God, do I? I think I have a Spirit jersey. I actually got this one not too long ago. So I think I do. Oh my God, there's so many foozles, and since I've moved downstairs, I'm on carpet, so I'm like trying not to get any on the carpet here. And again, I think this is the only item in my box, but I am totally okay with that. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, 1971 Walt Disney, look at this. I freaking love this. So again, I got mine in an extra large. They do run a little bit big, I do have to say, but I'm totally fine with that. So this is an extra large, and this is a Disney Parks exclusive. Any item that has a sticker, they've hand put that sticker on, letting you know that is from the parks. So This is freaking unbelievable, guys. Look at this. This is so cute. I love the back. I love the colors. I'm sorry if my camera's going in and out, man. It doesn't know where to focus. But look at that. And then there's the stripes all along the arms. And it is cuffed like most of their Spirit jerseys are on the bottom there. This is freaking beautiful. And onto the packing slip. Like I said, I get the Dreams, which is $34 or $39.99. I can't remember. I'll leave it somewhere here on the screen. And then I did get the Disney Park exclusive Walt Disney World 1071 Spirit jersey, and it was $69.99, guys. And I paid $39 or $34, I can't remember, dollars for this box. That's literally twice the amount. And I got this beautiful Spirit jersey, which I'm probably wearing in my other unboxings that I have coming up. So thank you guys so much. Honestly, if you guys get Bibbidi Bobbidi, let me know down below what your favorite item is in your month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. Again, if you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see you in another Disney video. Bye!